I bet you didn't know how easy it is to go zero carb and zero sugar. We're diving into health and wellness today. Zero carb, zero sugar, and a whole lot of flavor. Ditch the guilt and embrace foods that make us feel good inside and out. Zero carb, zero sugar, what's left to eat? Unlock superfoods packed with nutrients and flavor. Foods that fuel your body and sharpen your mind. Buckle up for a delicious journey to health. Please consult with a healthcare professional before making any changes to your diet or exercise routine. First up, we've got the incredible edible avocado. This creamy, dreamy fruit is like nature's butter. Packed with vitamins, minerals, and healthy fats, avocados are superheroes of the produce aisle. Naturally zero carb and zero sugar. Enjoy this creamy goodness guilt-free, slice them, mash them, or just dig in. Your body will thank you. Next up, we're talking about the ultimate thirst quencher, the cucumber. This refreshing veggie is like a tall glass of water on a hot summer day. Cucumbers are mostly water, making them the perfect low-calorie snack. Packed with vitamins like K and C, they're essential for strong bones and antioxidants. Slice them up for a snack, add them to salads, or infuse your water. Ditch sugary drinks and reach for a cool, crisp cucumber instead. Hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to unleash the power of spinach. This leafy green is like the incredible Hulk of the vegetable kingdom, packed with nutrients that'll make you feel unstoppable. Spinach is loaded with vitamins A, C, and K, as well as iron, folate, and magnesium. It's like a multivitamin in a leaf. And the best part? It's naturally zero carb and zero sugar, making it the perfect addition to any meal. Add a handful to your smoothies for a nutritional boost, sauté it with some garlic for a tasty side dish, or toss it in your salads for a pop of color and crunch. With spinach, you can't go wrong. So, channel your inner Popeye and embrace the power of this leafy green superfood. Get ready to pump some iron, because we're about to unleash the power of chicken breast. This lean protein is like the building block of a healthy diet, providing your body with the essential amino acids it needs to build and repair muscle tissue. Whether you're a seasoned athlete or just starting your fitness journey, chicken breast is your new best friend. And the best part? It's naturally low in fat and calories and completely free of carbs and sugar. That's right, you can enjoy this protein powerhouse without derailing your health goals. Grill it, bake it, sauté it, the possibilities are endless. So, load up on chicken breast and fuel your body with the protein it needs to thrive. Hold on to your breakfast plates, folks, because we're about to crack open the incredible world of eggs. These little nutritional powerhouses are like nature's multivitamin, packed with protein, healthy fats, and essential vitamins and minerals. We're talking about choline, which is crucial for brain health, vitamin D, which supports strong bones, and lutein and zeaxanthin, antioxidants that promote healthy vision. And the best part, eggs are naturally low in carbs and completely sugar-free. Scramble them, fry them, poach them, the possibilities are endless. So go ahead, embrace the versatility of eggs and experience the power of this breakfast staple. Get ready to dive into a sea of flavor and health benefits with salmon. This fatty fish is like the king of the ocean, reigning supreme with its omega-3 fatty acids, protein, and essential vitamins and minerals. We're talking about heart-healthy fats that reduce inflammation, improve brain function, and support healthy cholesterol levels. And the best part, salmon is naturally low in carbs and completely sugar-free. That's right, you can enjoy this flavorful fish without worrying about your blood sugar levels. Grill it, bake it, pan-sear it, the possibilities are endless. So go ahead, treat yourself to a delicious serving of salmon and experience the power of this heart-healthy superfood. Get ready to go green with envy for broccoli. This cruciferous veggie is like the superhero of the produce aisle, fighting off disease and promoting optimal health with its powerful antioxidants, vitamins, and minerals. We're talking about vitamins C and K, fiber, potassium, and folate, all working together to boost your immune system, protect your heart, and support healthy digestion. And the best part? Broccoli is naturally low in carbs and completely sugar-free. Steam it, roast it, sauté it, the possibilities are endless. So go ahead, load up on this versatile veggie and experience the power of broccoli. Don't underestimate the power of small packages. Flax seeds may be tiny, but they're packed with nutrients that'll make you feel like $1,000,000. We're talking about fiber, omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, all working together to promote digestive health, reduce inflammation, and support heart health. And the best part? Flax seeds are naturally low in carbs and completely sugar-free. Sprinkle them on your salads, yogurt, or smoothies for a nutritional boost, or add them to your baked goods for a healthy twist. With flax seeds, the possibilities are endless. Welcome the arrival of spring with open arms and a plate full of asparagus. This springtime veggie is a nutritional powerhouse, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that'll make you feel like you can conquer the world. We're talking about vitamins K, C, A, and E, as well as folate, potassium, and fiber, all working together to boost your energy levels, support healthy digestion, and protect your cells from damage. And the best part? Asparagus is naturally low in carbs and completely sugar-free. Get ready for a snack that's as good for your taste buds as it is for your skin. Almonds are packed with healthy fats, protein, fiber, and vitamin E, all working together to nourish your body from the inside out. We're talking about reducing inflammation, protecting your cells from damage, and promoting healthy, glowing skin. And the best part? Almonds are naturally low in carbs and sugar-free. Enjoy them as a satisfying snack, sprinkle them on your salads, or add them to your trail mixes for a boost of energy and nutrition. Get ready to power up your meals with the protein-packed punch of beef. This versatile meat is an excellent source of iron, zinc, and B vitamins, all working together to support muscle growth, boost your energy levels, and promote healthy blood sugar control. And the best part? Beef is naturally carb-free and sugar-free. Choose lean cuts of beef and enjoy it grilled, roasted, or pan-seared for a delicious and satisfying meal that will fuel your body without expanding your waistline. Bow down to the queen of greens, kale. This leafy green is extremely nutritional, packed with vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants that'll have you feeling like royalty. We're talking about vitamins K, A, and C, as well as fiber, calcium, and iron, all working together to support bone health, boost your immune system, and fight inflammation. And the best part? Kale is naturally low in carbs and completely sugar-free. Enjoy it in salads, smoothies, or sautéed with garlic for a delicious and nutritious side dish. With kale, the possibilities are endless. Well folks, there you have it. 12 incredible superfoods that are completely zero carb, zero sugar, and bursting with flavor and nutrition. Incorporate these powerhouses into your diet and experience the transformative effects of clean eating. Remember, taking care of your health is an investment, not an expense. So, make a commitment to nourish your body with the best nature has to offer, and watch as you unlock a world of energy, vitality, and well-being. If you enjoyed this video and found it helpful, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness tips. Until next time, stay healthy and keep on thriving.